Some of the residents of Mawlai Nongkwar, Shillong had met with the acting Syiem of Hima Mylliem, Ainam Manik Syiem, to request him for a certificate to Moonstar Rumnong to be declared the Rangbah Shnong of the locality with immediate effect. Mention may be made that a few days ago, some of the executive members of the Rangbah Shnong of Mawlai Nongkwar had gathered at the office of the Darbar of the Syiem of Hima Mylliem and Nongkwar, Shillong to oppose the selection of Moonstar Rumnong by a few residents of the locality to lead them as headman. The crowd had demanded from the acting Syiem of Hima Mylliem an election of the new headman of Mawlai Nongkwar after the demise of the former headman of the locality. Moonstar Rumnong, while speaking to reporters recently, accused the caretakers of the locality of taking decisions without the knowledge of all executive members of the Rangbah Shnong as far as the meeting of residents of the locality for a financial and general report from the Rangbah Shnong is concerned.
Siti ka ba usiem jong ka Hima Mylliem upha siya ka isti jong ka Rangbah Shnong Mawlai Nongkwar but yang ni siti kalong ba ngiyo hadian bangiwan manpan daka photo certified na ka office jong Syiem but kaya ba perlu ngiyon pensya ka punya por kalong bahadian hak sini baar bala pertas Shnong Shnong jongi ban khang Shnong bagandon ke Rangbah Shnong bakata Rangbah Shnong kalau betik tang ban ai ya jingkhen jing dia bat ya report rekam jong ke Rangbah Shnong beletnya ngi kum kasang samla ka baju itrain nak bentar ka bahamiat jong unong Shnong jong Shnong hi bro away ngisa akalingo ya ta kajing pertas Shnong ka balong betang nam ta report rekam bat ya financial report bat perlu ini baginwan no hak sini balang hi Beron mi no ahli ka yeng ahli ka office ke jong Syiem jong Hima Mylliem bat beron ya kendu yo Syiem ngim yo banyak kendu yo Syiem umtre hidup banyak kendu uang ba hilak beron ski sok dia bu kuar ringi ski sok dia kada pas nong kalau sejan bu kuar ringi ski sok dia wala kata ngidan ke jingkerman bangini kendu hiyo Syiem bat hak ski sok dia bangiwan yo ban ai ke jingtho ka basya yo Syiem bangi kwa ya ka order ke jong Syiem ka bukha Shnong bahadian bagayo nomor bagadi khot jong isi jong Rangbah Shnong ngalingo bagini kino yalam jong isi jong Shnong jingi hadian belakhat no orang Shnong ya bu iki tang laingot kita kia taka bakini kia taka kim sei yang ni ka order jong Syiem ka buai bak siya la ya klang ka jingtip ka isi hi bro away bat ai ka banga kwa potong kalong bahadian baginayo ini kopi milik yang duduk yang Pak Iem bat ka balingok kalong bai Pak Iem ni ong ba ngion wat khang namar ba ngitip ba lasai ngin don ka Rangbah Shnong mo nang ngikwa kham ki tak daw tingiyo ini kopi bat ka ba kham lingok kalong ba I Pak Iem bat ki menteri ki ong ngiklam yo ngitip ai khang tak Rangbah Shnong hilak bersaring ngene kan syai ba kajing tho ani ka ong ngasai ngam puli na te ngan puli betang ya ka phang bat ya ka siti ka ong ka phang ka jinji Rangbah Shnong Mawlai Nongkwar Rangbah Kakung ketiga pang berdonan, ngasih bah ban ketip japi ke Rangbah Syiem. Selama ke Rangbah Syiem ke piliang yang jingkut jingtip japi kakung ke sisi ha ke jingkedong. Lah piliang yang lulus jong ke Rangbah Shnong. Kendiak ngakwa ban yatu ipi hangnya ban syai. Bah pot Rangbah Shnong jongi hamtam hadir mundon chu Rangbah Shnong. Ka isi jongi bapenya ditang ar laingot. Ki wei ikut isi ki shuni syah jingnya jongki.